Hi guys, in this tutorial we will learn how to connect to collaborate on Blackboard. In order to connect to collaborate on Blackboard, you simply click on your course. Once you are in the class, if you scroll down in the list of the options, you will find Tools. When you click on Tools, you will be able to see a link called Blackboard Collaborate Ultra. When you click on Blackboard Collaborate Ultra, it takes a few moments and it gives you a link up here at the top called IBM Control Language Course Room or whatever is your course room. You click on that and you click on Join Course Room. One of the good things about this is that it actually also gives you a call-in number with a PIN code. So you can connect to the class via phone if for any reason you can't connect using the internet. However, in that case, you can only hear the people. When you are connected to the room, anybody connected in the room will be able to see this chat on the side where you can type and chat and ask questions with the instructor or whoever. And the instructor will share with you the screen, and that screen will show right over here. And you simply close the tab when you're done with the session. One more thing. Down at the bottom, you have a microphone control. You click on it so that the instructor can hear you. And I will turn it on so that you can hear me. If you want to do video, you can do it through here, this option. And I can share my video with you using this option as well. So this is how you connect to collaborate. Let me know if you have any questions.